Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Veena and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get layer haircut at home all by yourself. This haircut will remove your split ends and give some nice layers to your hair. If you're interested in it, then please keep on watching. For this haircut you will need sharp scissor, pintail comb and a normal comb, 2 rubber bands and 1 clip, and a spray bottle filled with water. Before doing the haircut, wash and clean your hair. If your hair is greasy or oily, then this haircut will not turn out good. So always shampoo and wash your hair. Now comb your hair well, detangle all the knots. This step is very important, so brush all the hair well first. Now flip all your hair towards the front. Brush it well and tie it up at the top. Now take a second hair tie and tie it right where your lips is. This is going to keep all the hair in place so that it remains straight and haircut will be easier. Now brush the ponytail one more time. Now hold this hair in between your 2 fingers. Make sure to hold it tightly. Bring it all the way to the bottom and cut 1-inch section. First I am cutting it straight, then I will point cut it. Point cut gives natural finish and gives texture to our hair and removes bulkiness from our hair. Basically, point cut is cutting into the hair like I am doing here. Now I will remove my rubber bands and this is how my haircut looks from the front. If you want to cut your split ends and want normal to minimal layers, then stop here, or if you want more layers, then continue next steps. And this is how it's looking from the back. I want to add more layers to my hair, so I am doing these extra steps. These extra steps makes your hair volumizing and gives lot more layers. Now I am taking section from the middle of my ears like shown in the video. Take a pintail comb and make a straight line and section the hair. And now take bottom section and tie it up with the elastic band. We are not cutting the bottom section. This is the length of our hair, so I am keeping it as it is. Now take this section, comb it nicely and smoothly and tie it up at the top with the elastic band. Now spray some water to the pony and make it wet. Wet hair stand neatly and it will be easier to cut. Now I will hold the hair in between my fingers and tightly pull it all the way to the bottom like this and cut the 1-inch section. First I will straight cut it and then I will point cut it. Removing my elastic band and this is how it's looking. More layers are added to my hair and this is how it looks from the back. Now I am taking ear to ear section. If you use pintail comb or sharp pointed combs, then this sectioning will be easier. Again I am following the same steps here. I am combing all the hair nicely and bringing it to the front and spraying some water and tying it at the top with the elastic band. And now I will hold my hair in between my fingers, pull it all the way to the bottom and cut 1-inch section. First I will straight cut it and then I will point cut it. If you take more section, then your layers will be more, and if you take less sections, then your layers will be less. So it's all depends upon your sectioning skills. So choose sections according to your needs. Each section adds extra layers to your hair. This section gives my crown area some volume. Now I am taking section from the end of my eyebrows like this. And on the top I will take section till the crown. Tying the remaining hair at the back, and now I will work with this section. And again I am following the same procedure, brushing this section smoothly and tying a knot, and I will hold my hair in between my fingers, pull it all the way to the down and cut my hair. If you are beginner or cutting your hair for the first time, then cut your hair little by little. Don't make it too short. If it's long, then it's okay, but it's too short, then it won't grow back instantly. So always start cutting little by little. And this is how it turned out. Now I am taking section from the highest tip of my eyebrows. Take a pintail comb and line it up and evenly section your hair on the both sides. Then line the top part so that it's even and straight. Now comb this section well. Now hold your hair in between your two fingers and cut your hair right where your chin is. First straight cut it and then point cut it. This is going to be our shortest layer, and this is how it's looking. If you want bangs, then do this next step, or else we are done with the haircut. Now I am taking section from the beginning of my eyebrows like shown in this video. Take even and straight section on the both sides. Comb it nicely and hold your hair in between your fingers and cut it right where your mouth is. This is going to be our shortest layer and give you nice bangs. And this is how my haircut is looking after it's done. I got lot of volume and lot of layers in my hair, and I'm loving the haircut. Hope you liked this video. If you did, then do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.